Hello. So we start our series solving through 2024 GCE Mathematics Paper 1. As you can see, I've just opened it. So we can solve through together. So for today, I want us to, if we can solve question 1, question 2, and question 3. So you can pause the video and then you just try to solve them, and then later on you compare with my solutions. So the question 1 was evaluate 8 over 27 and to the power of 2 over 3. So this is how you do it. You can say 8 over 27 to the power 1 over 3 and then to the power 2. You just expand that way. So this means the cube root of 8 and the cube root of 27. So you can have the cube root of 8, that is a 2, the cube root of 27, that is a 3. Then again, this is to the power 2. Then you have 2 to the power 2, that's 4. Then 3 to the power 2, that is 9. So your answer is, where it is written answer here, you just write 4 over 9. Other people, they can choose to say, they can just say, okay, this one means the cube root of 8 over 27. The 3 there, then to the power 2. The cube root of 8, you can even do it separately because it is true if you have got something like this, then over, this is A, then over B, and then the cube root like that. You can just split this and say the cube root of 3, the cube root of A, I mean, over the cube root of B. So it is true. So you can also do the same here, where you just split them, the cube root of 8 and then the cube root of 27. But in a case where it is easy to simplify the two that are inside, you can still do the same, and then you will be able to find the same answer. So here I will say the cube root of 8, that is a 2, the cube root of 27, that is a 3, then to the power 2, this gives me 4 over 9. Then you write it there. Now next, here it's saying simplify. So nothing big. You just want to make this thing look simple. Maybe the root word for simplifying, I would say, making something look simple. So where it needs to expand, you expand. Where it needs to subtract, you can subtract. Where you can multiply, you multiply, just like that. So here I'm going to say 4 times x, that is 4x. 4 times negative 2, that's negative 8, plus 3 times 2x, that is 6x. 3 times negative 3, that is negative 9. I can correct that 10, so this is 4x plus 6x minus 8 minus 9. All right, so 4x plus 6x, that is 10x. Negative 8 minus 9. You see, so these are the same signs. Just go ahead and maintain the sign, which is a negative, and add the numbers. 8 plus 9, that is 17. So here, the space, you write 10x minus 17. All right, so we got to question 3. Question 3 was saying solve the equation. So you see, they're saying this times this is equal to 0. So here you're going to apply what you call the zero product rule. Zero product rule says that if you multiply a 0 with another number or expression gives you a 0, it's either one of them, that's when you're going to get a 0. So now here we have multiplied this and this times this, we're getting a 0. So it's either this one is a 0 or this one is a 0. So we don't know which and which. So I'm going to sprint this and say 3x minus 5 is the one which is a 0. But who told you that 3x minus 5 is 0? We don't know. So we're going to say, oh, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now it's easy to solve like this. So we can say 3x is equal to 5 over 3 over 3. Cancel, then x is equal to 5 over 3. This is improper, so just say 3 into 5, that is 1. Remainder 2, then over 3. This guy here, it will be just x is equal to negative 2. Now you can write here, that's why there are these two spaces. So 1 is going to negative 2, then the other side you can write 1, 2 over 3. That's question 3. We can go to question 4. Question 4 is saying factorize completely. So 7x squared minus 7. So for this expression where you have only two terms, check out what is common, 7. So remain with x squared minus remain with the 1. Now inside, is it possible that you can express it in the form a squared minus b squared? If you have this format, then you can write it as a minus b then the other one will be just a plus b. This is what called two differential squares. So it is true I can write this one as 7x squared. Which number, when we say that number squared, it gives us a 1. That is just 1 itself. So 1 squared, then you have 1. So now we can write this one peacefully as x minus 1, then x plus 1, which you can now write here. So x minus 1, x plus 1. Remember, all the workings must be done in the paper. All the workings must be done in the paper. That is the rule. So for today, we went here. Next, we'll do question 5 and just like that. So